I like here. It's not hot here.
Huh?
It's not hot here.
I don't think the palace is open.
They're eating rice as well.
Huh?
They're eating rice.
Yeah. You know.
Oh yeah, here. Bus stop. I think this is the one. Is this the one? No, that we're looking for. Dito ba? Right. Street food. Google Map.
If it's not that one there.
Where?
To go back there. Hold on.
Which one? Huh?
This is 1 minute. I don't know.
Is it here?
St. Paul.
Huh?
It's in here. St. Paul somewhere.
Saint Paul. I can smell like barbecue or something. I can smell. It's not the bus stop there or what? No, this is not this one. Saint Paul's store. Is this the cathedral or what? It's very hot here. I think it's not here. It's not here. Ah? Don't go that way because there are a lot of vehicles passing.
Huwag makita.
Awan makita.
Wow, ito eh.
Sigurado ka nga ito, yun eh. Nakabarbara din natin magna. Paigid ka tanan. Tatikwa. Nagbara ako. Dito yung mall na. Para Baleta. Nga ito siguro. Diba hindi nakita ko Filipino store. Ay, Filipino store, Filipino restaurant. Awaan yun. Ito bang ahot ko. Pakasita dyan, pakasita ito. Parte baka itaten na. We can go to that side.
Like ito, mga ahot ko ito.
I think so. I think it's this bus stop. It's like she said bus stop. I want grill. I want to eat grilled food. Grilled meat. Tsaka ito Chinese. Ako ng Chinese.
Yeah, but you can eat rice.
Yeah. Let's see. Look, it's here. Ang init. Ang init ah. Tingnan mo yung plug. Kasi may mga plug-plug sila eh. Oh. Ayun nga, busy doon sa street na yun. Pwede dito pala sa Baleta, no? Ito, di ba itong pinakaano nila?
Yeah,
Main, main town. Visit.